Hi friends, in this section we can discuss another problem. I can read the question, please listen and write in your notebook. A component machined from a plate made of steel 45 CH, that is the grade of the steel. Sigma UT, that is the ultimate stress of that particular steel, is 630 megapascal, is shown in figure 3.10. That is the shape of that steel will be like this. It is subjected to a completely reversed axial force of 50 kilonewton. The expected reliability is 90% and factor of safety is 2. Determine the plate thickness T for infinite life if the node sensitivity factor is 0.8. So, the data are given, we can write in our notebook and we can calculate the values. First of all, draw this figure, that is the shape of that figure will be like this and the dimensions are already given. The width is 100 and we have to find the value of T. The radius is given, that is equal to 5. In this section R5 means the radius of that particular curve is 5. Then the value is reduced to 50. There is a axial load shown as P. We can write the given data as sigma UT is given, that is equal to 630 megapascal. F max is given, that is equal to 50 megapascal, 50 kilonewton, sorry. That we can convert into Newton, that is equal to 50 into 10 raised to 3 Newton. F min is equal to minus 50, that is the axial load, reverse loading. The reliability is given, that is equal to 90% and the factor of safety is given, that is equal to 2. We have to find the value of T, that is equal, we have to find out, and Q is given, that is equal to 0.8. Since the yield stress is not given, design is based on Goodman criterion for ductile material. So, we already studied that in that particular figure, if there is no yield stress, it is not connected with Soderberg equation. So, it is directly connected with Goodman criterion. So, we have to take the equation for Goodman from the data book, page number 25. Equation number 2.21a, that is 1 by n is equal to KTF into sigma A divided by ABC into sigma En plus sigma M by sigma U. So, we can find that value according to the reliability. Then, if there is a reliability is given, we have to convert that equation or we have to modify that equation. Here, the reliability factor RF added in this section, that is AB into RF into sigma endurance. So, remember this equation if the reliability is given. In this equation, we have to find sigma M. We have, that is the mean stress, sigma max plus sigma min divided by 2. It is already given in the data book, page number 23, question number 2.16a. Then, on the next page, we can calculate F and FA. So, using that equation, we can find the value of sigma M. Here, the section is given in the figure. So, from the table, from the figure 2.16, page number 38 in our data book, we can take the value A is equal to B into T. That is breadth into thickness. Here the breadth is 50 and T is not given, that we have to find out. Sigma M is equal to F max plus F minimum divided by 2A. Here A we have to find out using this method, that is from page number 38 and equation number, figure number 2.16. Then variable stress also we can calculate. Sigma A is equal to sigma max minus sigma min divided by 2, that is equal to FA by A. Again, it is already in our data book, page number 23 and equation number 2.16a. Sigma A is equal to F max minus F min divided by 2A. Substitute all these values. Again, we will get sigma A in terms of T. Then, from the page number 21, equation number 2.5, we can take the stress concentration factor KTF is equal to 1 plus Q into KT minus 1. Again, from that page number 38 and equation of figure number 2.16, sorry, that is a figure number 2.16. We can take B is equal to 100 mm, smaller b is equal to 50 mm, and R is equal to 5 mm. The value of T we have to calculate. Here, R by B is equal to 5 by 10, that is equal to 0.1, and capital B by B is equal to 100 divided by 50, that is equal to 2. R by B is equal to 0.1 and capital B by B is equal to 2. Then KT will become 2.27. It is already shown. Then KTF is equal to 2.02. So calculate the value of KTF. Then next we need the correction factor. That is the load factor is equal to load factor A is equal to 0.85. Correction factor that B is equal to 0.85. It is already assumed because the size is unknown. Then one more thing, that is the surface factor, that is equal to C 0.85. It is based on sigma u. We can take that value from the page number 46, figure number 2.33. For a ultimate stress sigma u 630 mm, the value of C is equal to 0.85. For the reliability, here the reliability is given, that is equal to 90%. We can take that value from the page number 171, table 3.1. So using that page number 171 and table 3.1, we will get the reliability factor is equal to 0.89. The endurance strength is calculated, that is sigma En is equal to 0.5 into sigma u. That is the endurance strength for steel is half of the ultimate strength. So we can find that value 315 megapascal. Then all parameters we calculated, and we can substitute that in the Goodman equation. So we will get the value of T, that is the thickness. Thickness is equal to 23.28 mm. It is round off into 30 mm. The 30 mm is much bigger. If we consider it is 25 mm, it is also better for us. Okay, thank you.